Hi folks, I'm just popping on with a quick little make for you that you can make with some leftover willow or some short willow that you have. One of these little button daisies here. You're going to need some 3 foot or 4 foot willow, a pair of clippers and either a bodkin, knitting needle or screwdriver, something like that. It's quite a simple make. What you need to do is take a piece of willow first, something a bit thick, and make a little hoop. So you can make these any size. I'm not going to give sizes out. You can make them to whatever size you want. Just need to make a little hoop first. So it's going to be the outline of the centre of your daisy. Just twist the willow back around on itself. And we're just going to add a little bit of scribbly weave onto this to strengthen it up like this. What you need to do is start with a thick end, pop it into your hoop and just hold it. And I'm just going to go round my hoop to start and then across and wrap around and back on itself. And keep doing that, go in different directions. Just to get some scribbly bits on there. So you're going to keep on doing that until you've got roughly about that sort of amount on there. Once you've done that, we're going to create a dome with some other bits of willow. So this is where you'll need your either bodkin or screwdriver, just to open up the weave. There we go. So I've done 3 of those now, crossed over each other. Don't worry about these sticky out bits at the moment. We'll trim those off in a few minutes. What we're going to do now is do this same sort of scribble weave over the top of the dome. Start with the thick end again and just tuck it under somewhere. Doesn't matter where, just tuck it under and hold it and weave around and over and through wherever you want to go. You can still go into the sides if you want and back over. This is just a random scribble weave. All we're trying to do is just fill all the gaps, cover over everything. Just anywhere you like. Oops. And eventually you'll end up with something like that. So that's what you're aiming for. Then you can trim off any of the ends at the back that are there. Then we just need to put the petals on. You can fill this out as much as you want. You can carry on filling after you've put the petals on. For the petals, you're going to need several rods. It doesn't matter how many petals you put on. I've ended up putting 6 onto most of mine. It's just the way it worked out, but it doesn't matter, it's up to you. Take your thick end, push that into your weave, and then bring the other end round and back into the weave and through. And then just reduce that down to the size of petal you want, and then take the rest of that weave into your dome and make that part of your scribble weave. So on every petal, I like to put 3 on mine. So I put another one on, but I do it the opposite way this time. I start on this side, where the skinny end of the rod was. There's the start of the first one, and I like to wrap this one around that first petal. And then take the rest of that rod into here, and again make it part of your scribble weave. That way you're securing the ends of your petals each time, and you're getting more filling on your dome as well. So then I would put a third one on, but you can do 2, 3, 4, however many you want on those petals. It's really up to you. And that's it. That's all there is to it. See, you want to put on the rest of your petals, and you'll end up with one of those.